All right, we're gonna remove this steering wheel. This is the old steering wheel. You can see that it is falling apart. That is beautiful. Probably the T30. Yeah, T30. Okay. Airbag should come out.
Skinny, scrawny white boy's gotta be ready. Where'd you put those bags?
Up your ass? Tyler, right here.
I was gonna say, I wonder why my ass was so big.
Alright, so these come off. You just have a screw there and a screw there. These pop out. You have a little clip here, and then this assembly can be transferred over to your new wheel, but it's also connected to this. That can come out of the wheel. Alright, so the next step is to get this back plastic piece off the wheel, transfer it to our new wheel. This has a couple screws here. The center nut is 19, so I loosened it already. It's a 19 millimeter. I loosened it up already. What we want to do is make sure that our steering wheel is straight ahead when we take this off, so that when we pop the new wheel on, it goes on just the same. The steering wheel, so this whole thing should come out. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to transfer this piece to our other steering wheel. And this torx bolt came out. That's important for when we screw the airbag back in. So let's get that back in there. It looks like I broke. No, I didn't break it. Almost broke that piece, but. So I'll put this back in together. Just like so. Snaps into place. And this comes through here. Steering wheel goes on straight. Okay. That is a massive improvement over our other steering wheel. So we have a sport steering wheel now, which is great. So I'm gonna torque this nut down, 25 foot-pounds on this guy. Pounds, remember, not too tight. This one over here. So one at a time here. These snap into place, they line up, and will snap in, and then you lock them in with the screw. Make sure that you're lining them up with the holes. This guy goes down through here. This is our cruise control. This guy here, line it up with the holes, snap into place. We also have a ribbon cable here. Snap that back on. We can go ahead and plug this one in, and we can go ahead and screw our cruise control back on. Very easy to align this. All right, there we go. That is on. Nice and tight. Okay. So this one's on. Now I have to lock in these guys. So the casting there was like slightly off, and this is not an OEM wheel. This is a wheel that I got off eBay. So that was interesting. That was the only fitment problem I had of the whole thing. Overall, pretty good. Now right now, we want to be careful when we install this airbag so that it does not blow up in our face. All right, so now we're gonna put this back in, and those Torx screws come into play. The alignment here looks a little funny, to be honest. I wonder if I can, yeah. So that's like the one thing. If this rubs when I'm driving, I might have to take it off and put some foam in there, but that's the one thing that looks off. Otherwise, the color matches really well. So for the money, very surprising that this wheel is any good. I'm gonna lock the wheel into place here with these Torx bits. This is a really neat setup that Lexus has here. They have the bolt holders, which is a super lazy way of doing it. Oh, there we go. Now my airbag is sitting correctly. Okay, so if I pull this out, I can see where I need to go with this bolt. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky to get these bolts in, to be honest. Did I get it in? I did, I got it in. Okay. Well, I think I got it in. Yeah, I got it in. Okay, so the alignment is actually better once you get the actual bolt in there. Yeah. Alignment looks much better on that. Okay, let's go ahead and put this one in now. Wow, that actually looks really good. I am so impressed with that. And it feels amazing. This is like a real proper luxury steering wheel. Really impressive. That is not impressive. I still have a rub there. I'm worried that that might squeak. See that as I drive, so I might want to get some foam and shove it in that little gap there. And again, this was that one panel that had a weird fitment, so the casting of the wheel could have been off there. But overall, this is a total bargain buy for the money. It feels fantastic, the leather matches, it's just great. Let's take a look at this old wheel. This is what we were working with before. This is what we're working with now, so huge improvement. Takes maybe 30 minutes to pop that guy in there. Now I need to put my covers back on here, and we are good to go. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your car.